Thokozani bogogo nomkhulu sakwasendeza lesugogo Bathini Mbatha. I'm doing this video with another excitement. I wanted to discuss the power of visiting KoMalume. The power of KoMalume. You normally hear people to KoMalume this, KoMalume that. I did a video whereby I've told people to say it is very dangerous when all the time umuya KoMalume uyoqeqeshisela impepho uya KoMalume uyocela lokho nalokho. You know, sometimes you just have to visit KoMalume without any expectations, without any agenda, without anything written down to say mangifika KoMalume ngizofika ngithi makathi umalume ngizothi makathi ini ngizothi. I went to visit my uncle. In 2013 he got an RTP house early high in Soweto, and I've never been there since then. You know, we normally meet him mama, or we call each other very often, but I've never visited him, and it always pains me the fact that, you know what, I don't know what I know the previous house but ever since he moved to early high, I've never went to see him. And I just said to myself on Thursday, no, I'm waking up, I'm going to see KoMalume. But being partly the previous day, which was Wednesday, then I went to see KoMalume without any agenda, without anything written down and everything. I just said to myself, this is the only sibling, Gama Esele, which is my mom and him. And my mom is the fourth born and he's the last born. So they are the only two siblings that are left in Mohlala family. Then I said, no, I have to see KoMalume Mohlala. I don't want to go there in case of crisis and everything. Then I get to be directed by Abu Mzala or Lerato because of I don't know KoMalume Mohlala. And I went to see there to see him. And I said, I called him, Malume, I'm on my way. How Mshana? Ngempela? But yes. Hey, when I'm Mshana, you always say you're coming and you end up not coming. I said, Malume, on my way. Then it was very early in the morning. I got there and I said, Malume, uhlala open, and he showed me because you are to show me directions. Then I said, okay, Malume, before I walk inside, let's go do some small shopping. Yo, the feeling of pushing a trolley for KoMalume and say, Malume, put anything. Faga Malume, whatever that you see what you need. Faga Malume, let's go. What do you need, Malume? I could have taken a video, but I don't want to post about doing that because it was the right thing to do. It was not a marketing strategy that I was doing. It was the right thing to do. So I said to KoMalume, Malume, it's fine. Faga whatever we fagayo, let's go. Then I went to see KoMalume, sangena phakathi, sahlala phansi, we spoke noMalume, and we got to discuss other things, the rituals that are standing, things like that and everything. I then left. But I left with such a volume, such a high volume of being inspired to do such videos and everything, because most of the videos that I do is something that I witnessed. I know for sure this is what's going to happen, this is what's going to happen. You know, on my way, you know, I get a call from a guy who has been delaying my process of other rituals that have delayed many people on. This guy's been delaying me like in a very serious note. You know, I even said to myself, you know, this guy is because of he knows Oguchi in South Africa. He is the one. You know, that's why he's delaying me. He called me. I was on a Golden Highway going back towards Devland, and he called me, this guy, and he said, hey, Mr. Mbatha, I'm sorry, man, about the delay. You know, I normally say I'll call you and everything. Even now, I just saw your number and I said, let me call you. Mr. Mbatha, I'm sending your stuff on Monday. Mr. Mbatha, I'm sending your stuff on Monday. Sorry, I've got a bit of a flu. I said, what? I said, no, I'm sending your stuff on Monday. Don't worry, my guys will be there. I'm sending my stuff on Monday. The guys will bring them to you direct. This is a guy that I've been calling almost, not every day. I'm not that person that will call you every day or every week or every hour, every minute to put pressure on you. No. But once in a while, I'll call him and just say, hey, man, how are things and everything. And the good thing about him is that whenever I call him, he will respond. To cut a long story short, this guy called me after a month or more not calling him at all to give me the news that I was hoping to get even before KoMalume. So when the time KoMalume, I didn't even think of him. But this guy, he called me. He called me, this guy. So I'm talking about the power of KoMalume. By just stepping in, by just being there, it's a blessing. Just going there, it's a blessing. And he gave me all the blessings. Hey, Mshana, I wish you all the best. I wish, your things can go well. Whatever. Remember, mind you, that I used to call KoMalume Sibali because he used to call my dad Sibali. So now I grew up calling him Sibali, but it was a childish kind of an approach of dealing with things. But I used to call him Sibali, and when I'm too excited, I'll call him Mfoyetu and everything. And he's calling me all of those names. I remember even KoMalume AB, he used to call me Sibali full time. He never said Mshana to me. He said, even you call me Sibali, we're not doing right here, Sibali, we need to talk about this, Sibali, everything. Even this younger one, KoMalume Zumba, he does the same. So I said, look, Nyabong, for Ibusi. So let's make this work. Let's make this relationship work. Let's do all the rituals and everything. We just spoke. There was no paper lighting. There was no candles. I didn't ask him to do anything and everything. Gave him pocket money. I said, Malume Sharp, bye. I left. But things started happening. Today, there's a guy that I've just consulted. Today, on Saturday, there's a guy that I've just consulted. Today, who said to me, Mr. Mbatha, mina ugogo wakho uyena weza kimi wathi ngiyohamba ngoqeda umhlaba. Kufanele ngize kuwena sala kwasendoda mavula kuvala imizamo yamadoda uanti usha uwena uzongivulela izinto. Gogo ngicela ungivulela izinto. I'm talking about a person who said to me, Gogo, mina money is not a problem, but rituals are a problem. Gogo ngicela ungivulela izinto. And name the price. I've charged him like I would charge anybody else. I was not agitated about what he said to me, not to be stranded when it comes to money. But he said, no, I'm not going to give you that money. I told you I don't have a problem with money. I'll give you more than that. And he gave me an amount that shocked me to say, what is happening today? Then there was somebody else who called today. This is a testimonial video. I cannot expose my clients. When you come to me in so much confidential. Then I got a call of somebody to say, Gogo usivulile into zami, I couldn't get hold of you. I'm so lucky that you've answered my call today, but I'm glad that you did answer my call today and everything. Gogo, I just want to tell you that I'm coming to say thank you and I'm going to shock you. Today, I'm done. Gogo Bathini Mbatha mavula kuvula imizamo yamadoda 0357995703 0357995703 is for bookings. We don't take any money from people over the phone or ShopRite or whatever. Don't be scammed in the name of Gogo Bathini Mbatha. Remember, we now have a shuttle with a small fee from NGT Herbals that will take you straight home. But You need to pay. We need to service the car. We need to pay the taxes and whatever road, whatever things that we pay in the traffic department. We need to buy the tires of the car so that the car is always clean and roadworthy. So there is an amount that you're going to pay, but you are not going to pay the 350 that you normally pay on the Mezi taxi to take you home. No, you're going to pay far less than that. So Gogo Bathini Mbatha 0357 995703. Tell the ladies when you make a booking to say you will need a shuttle, and then they will tell you it's either shuttle will fetch you from the BNB or the shuttle will take you from NGT Herbals directly to Gogo Bathini Mbatha. You will never get lost again. Chokozani.